Well, now the fun begins. Got 3 buses. Bus number 2 over there. Once he's in over here, I get all the seats out, and then you guys can see what I do. It'll be crazy. I'll cut the walls right out of this bus, make two entrances. It'll be awesome. It'll be a dry kiln, and my woodpecker slab flattening mill will be in the front. So when I dry the slabs in the back, they come through, out and around and in, and they get slab flattened on both sides and sold. Epoxy tables or live edge slabs or whatever. This is the one that's in the worst shape of them all. So I've decided to make this the dry kiln, this one. So this bus has brand new tires all the way around. Right. Brand new. So I'll move these tires over on that bus, and I'll redo that bus as an off-grid solar powered schoolie. And that one over there, that one's a schoolie too. Both of these ones will be roof raised. This one, I'm gonna chop the walls out from right here to the engine compartment. And then on this side, from right there, right at this point, to this point. And hopefully get about 10 feet. That way I could use the forklift and run slabs through the sides. Well, let's get these seats out of here. Right. There we go. 30 seats. So we got to get all these bolts down here. These ones all get ground off. The other side over there, I have to remove these cushions and get to the bolts into the back. And I'll do that with an impact driver. Right, these seats all got to get undone. Right. So that'll be the first thing I do, is get all these out, get them all moved over to the other tent, and go from there. Follow along. So I take that out. It's these things down here. Right, these little brackets hold it on onto the bars. And then I take these bolts over here, right, out with an impact gun. Right, and then I grind them ones off. Okay, so it's not very good video. So it's hard to get an angle without a second person filming me doing this, so I'm just gonna let you go, and when I got about 20 seats ready to go, I'll show you what I've done. Well, got a little bit more out. Lots to go. All these, so I'll be cutting and grinding and pulling a bunch out. So for now, I'll just set you up right here. It's the best I can do for now. Well, got some grinding to do, so show you guys how I do it. Well, there we go. Well, two of the last three seats. Well, the next step here is I take all these braces off. These are to hold the windows in. Well, let's see if we can get these off.
told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.